What's up, Mainframers? Today we're diving into a Cobol challenge. Can we compute two variables with precision using Cobol's compute statement? Sounds simple enough? Maybe, but precision matters. And we're gonna make sure that this program runs clean, clear, and correct. So whether you're dusting off your Cobol skills or starting this for the very first time, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through this challenge so you can follow along with me and continue your learning journey today. Now that we got the intros out of the way, let's get started. Before we begin, I'm assuming you have already installed the Hercules emulator and completed the workspace setup. If not, hit the links in the description below to get caught up. Then come back and tackle this challenge with me. Let's start with how to name our Cobol programs. So I go to option equal 3.4, type in mj.dev release 01, hit enter. I have a sequential dataset name, program name. So I do an edit on this file and hit enter. You can grab a copy of this file from the Mainframe Mojo Github. Here are unique names for bcobs and their matching job names. So we'll use MJ1AABC and its job name DMJ1AABC. Let's break it down. MJ identifies the owner of the member. 1 is the release number. A is the order in which processes run. ABC is the unique program code. And for the job name, we put a prefix at the beginning which identifies the environment. The benefit of doing it this way is that it's scalable, as you can easily expand for future releases, and traceable. When debugging, you know exactly which version is running. So I'm just going to leave myself a little note, then save and exit. Now let's create a new bcob member. We type E on the bcob partition dataset, and at the top we do S, and we paste in the member name. Hit enter. Now you're in the ISPF editor. Then from the command line, we're going to use the command copy. We're going to do a single quote, mj.dev release 01.bcob, open parentheses, and we're going to use Cobol 01 from our template and hit enter. Then from the command line, we're going to use the change command. We're going to change Cobol 01 to our new member name and type all at the end and hit enter. And then we're just going to reset and save. Now I'm just going to adjust the comments in this code. Now let's clean up this code. I'm going to delete the sections that I don't need. And now we're ready to start coding. Let's define our variables. I'm going to start with a level 1 data item named WSNBR1 as a numeric field with 3 digits before the decimal point and 2 digits after. And hit enter. Next, I'm just going to repeat the line, hit enter, and just change the variable to number 2. I want the same definition. I'm going to repeat for the third line, and this one will be the total. And we're just going to increase its position to 5. So next, at the procedure division, we need to breathe a little bit. So let's insert a few empty lines. And then we're going to start with move 3 to WS NBR1, period. And we're going to repeat the line. So we're going to say move 5 to number 2. And we'll repeat for the third line. This time we're going to move 0 to initialize the total. So next we're going to insert a new line, and we're going to start with compute WS total is equal to WS number 1 plus, and we're going to hit enter, and we're going to write WS number 2 below, hit enter, and we're going to put the period over here. This is more maintainable and easier to read. Next, we're going to add our display statement to display our values. Next, we're going to try a few more examples. So we're going to move up to line 31 and start CC to start the copy block, and go down to line 42 and do another copy block, and after. All we have to do is change the values, and this time we're going to use a 5-digit number. Next, we're going to do another copy block to do another example. And this time we're going to use the decimal period, so 3.33 and 5.33. And don't forget to save your work. Next, we're going to go to the @compile, and we're going to do a change Cobol01 to the new member name. Type all and hit enter. Next, we're going to just submit the job. Here, put 1, hit enter. Condition code 04, that's good. Let's create the job that's going to execute our program. We're going to do an edit on the JCL library. We're going to do S for the new job name. And next time, we're going to do another copy. mj.dev release01.jcl. And this one is cobjob01, and hit enter. Next, we're going to just do a change for cobjob01 to dmj1aabc, hit enter. And we'll go down to the program, just paste this in and just delete the D. And save and submit. Condition code 0. Good. Next, let's go see this is out. We're going to do an equal 3.8. Let's go down and find our job. And keep pressing F8 till you see your displays. In Cobol, the following defines a 5-digit numeric field with 3 digits before the implied decimal and 2 after. So values like become and gets truncated to and fits perfectly as. Remember, the decimal is virtual and not stored. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, then I would like to ask you to please smash the like and subscribe button down below to be notified for more tutorials coming your way. And don't forget to drop a comment down below if there are any Cobol related topics that you would like to see. Until then, I will see you later.